Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts from your SalesMate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your contacts from your SalesMate CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common for you to switch over to new software, and you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SalesMate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download or export all of your contacts, first make sure you've clicked on this left menu. There's a little person icon. Once you've clicked there, you're going to see all your contacts in your SalesMate CRM. However, to export these contacts here on the top right, you're going to click on Actions. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this one here called Export Contacts. Okay, guys, so here is how you can go ahead and export your contacts from your SalesMate CRM. Here on the left, you can go ahead and choose what fields you're going to be exporting. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at the default, which is email, job title, phone, and type. Up here on the top, you can go ahead and choose which contacts you're going to download. So new contacts from this week, recently modified contacts, you can download just your leads. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose all contacts. Once you've made the selections of the contacts you would like to export, scroll to the bottom and then click on this blue export button. Okay, a quick second later, you're going to see this letting you know that they're exporting your contacts. However, I only have a few contacts because this is a test account. So almost immediately you saw a pop-up saying that those contacts were exported. So let me go ahead and open that up from my download folder. Okay, next I'm going to click on the bell, and here in the bell icon, you're going to see here, this is where you can go ahead and download. Okay, a quick second later, it opens up this CSV file so you can see all of my leads that I downloaded from my SalesMate CRM. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your leads or your contacts from your SalesMate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.